Hi there, in this Canva tutorial, I'll show you how to add slide transitions to your presentations. To get started, click the thumbnail view. Then click between two slides and select Add Transition. Choose from options like Dissolve, Slide, Circle Wipe, or Color White. And adjust the duration as needed. Want the same transition for all slides? Click Apply between all pages. When presenting, navigate through slides to see the transitions in action. It's that easy to make your presentations more dynamic with Canva slide transitions. Thanks for watching.